For the last 20 years, India became an IT superpower because companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and SCL provided cheap engineering talent to the world. But what if I told you the companies that created AI are now directly entering IT services themselves? Not just tools, not just APIs, not just chatbots. OpenAI and Anthropic now want to deploy solutions directly for enterprises, and this changes everything. Recently, reports from Reuters, Business Standards, and Economic Times, Indian Express revealed something extremely important. OpenAI and Anthropic are moving beyond AI models and entering enterprise AI services directly. And they are building deployment companies, hiring consultants, working with private equity firm, embedding engineers inside enterprises, which means they are slowly entering the exact territory where Indian IT companies dominated for decades. Why this is a massive shift? Most developers still think OpenAI is just a chat GPT. Big mistake. The real money was never in chatbots. The real money is enterprise transformation. Banks, insurance companies, healthcare, manufacturing, telecom. That is where TCS and Infosys made billions. But now Anthropic and OpenAI are saying, why should we only provide the AI model when we can directly provide the business solution itself? And this is a dangerous part. For decades, the Indian IT industry operated on one powerful model: more people, more revenue. Need a project, deploy 500 engineers. Need supports, deploy another 100 engineers. Need testing, add another offshore team. This labor arbitrage model made India an IT giant. But AI destroyed this equation. One senior engineer with AI agent can now do work that previously required 10-20 people, and enterprises are starting to realize this. Now, what OpenAI and Cloud are doing? According to Router, and OpenAI and Anthropic are now exploring acquisitions of AI services companies to help enterprises deploy AI faster. They are not stopping at models anymore. They want AI consulting, AI implementation, AI deployment, AI workflow automation, AI transformation services. Basically, the entire IT services value chain. Anthropic has already launched specialized AI agent for finance operation. OpenAI also aggressively pushing enterprises AI deployment. This is not experimentation anymore. This is a strategic expansion. And the most controversial part here is this is the uncomfortable truth nobody in the IT industry wants to admit. AI companies don't need massive employee counts. Traditional IT companies needed armies of engineers. AI native companies need smaller team, better engineer, faster execution, AI agents doing repetitive work. The old advantage of cheap labor becomes weaker when AI reduces manpower requirement itself. And that is why this disruption feels existential. But here is the twist. Now, before people panic, does this mean TCS, Infosys, Wipro are finished? Then no, because enterprise reality is messy. Big enterprises still need compliance, governance, security, legacy system integration, human accountability, domain expertise. Even Cognizant AI leadership recently said the threat is being exaggerated because enterprises still needs deployment partners, and ironically many IT companies are now partnering with OpenAI and Anthropic. So the future may not be AI companies replacing IT companies. The future may be AI companies absorbing the most valuable layers of IT services. So who should be worried? The people most at risk are not the best engineers. The people most at risk are repetitive coders, support only roles, manual testing heavy roles, low skills outsourcing work, documentation heavy jobs, process following teams, because AI agents are getting extremely good at structure repetitive tasks. The market is shifting from who can provide more people to who can provide more intelligence leverage. The future software engineer will look very different. Less typing, more orchestration. Less boilerplate coding, more system thinking. Less repetitive implementation, more AI supervision. The dangerous thing is many developers are still preparing for 2018 jobs in 2026 market. Whether people like it or not, a major shift has started. OpenAI Anthropic entering enterprise services is not just another AI headline, it is a warning sign. The companies that once sold tools now wants to own the entire workflow, and the biggest question is no longer will AI replace developer. The real question is which developer will survive this transition. If you are a software engineer, IT employee, or student, comment below. Do you think IT companies will adapt, or we witnessing the beginning of biggest disruption in the tech history? Also subscribe because the AI industry is changing faster than most people realize.